people approaching us regularly to ask about, hey, how is it that 6 years ago you were only in 2 cities and now you're in 54 locations? I don't think there's anything too complicated about what we've done. I think a lot of this was about being in the right place at the right time, but at the same time, we seized the moment, right? Like we saw the opportunity. There were no multinational foodie operators out there, and we just went for it. Fundamentally, we're very passionate about what we do, and we're passionate about showing people a good time. We're very customer focused. 99% of our reviews are 5 stars. We respond every single review, not necessarily the bad ones, that we respond also the good ones, because we feel that we have to recognize those that actually spend time reviewing us. We have a commitment to them.
I think any good marketer knows that you have to take those opportunities when they present themselves. The consumers are demanding these tours. There's a reason why they're so popular. And so if we have a model that makes sense to roll it out, we have a particularly good way of setting up the tours and the system that's working. So it made it very easy for us to scale this product successfully.
It's a very thorough research process every time that we decide to open not only a new location but a new tour. This is not something that happens overnight, and we use multiple channels to analyze what we think the demand is going to be like. But that being said, just like anything in life, not 100%, not everything is 100% certain. So we've had failed in the expansion in some cases. We have had to close certain locations or even certain tours, but in essence, we've been good. We've been very mindful about respecting local cultures, local legislation, but everything is focused on both the travelers and the guides. It's all about treating them well, and I think that's a recognition that we're getting. Yeah. We're very mindful of what we have to do, but fundamentally, I think everything's about respecting local cultures.
And every culture, every city that we go to has their own culture, and they're so excited to share it that once you start going into this process, we find this tour kind of, builds itself. And really, they're so excited to bring in all of the different aspects that make that city great and really be that city's best emissary.